May kakilala ka bang nalugi dahil sa maling investment? Maraming Pilipino ang nalulugi hindi dahil wala silang pera, kundi dahil hindi nila natanong ang mga tamang tanong. Kaya ito, 10 questions that can save you from a bad investment. Before you invest, post muna and ask yourself. Number 1, para saan ba tong investment na to? Dapat malinaw ang goal. Number 2, naiintindihan ko ba kung paano ito kumikita? Kung hindi mo gets, wag mo nang mag-invest. Number 3, legal ba to? I-check mo dapat yan sa SEC, BSP o Insurance Commission. Number 4, gaano katagal nakapark ang pera ko? Match it with your investment time horizon. Number 5, gaano kalaki ang pwede kong ilugi? Dapat alam mo yung risk tolerance mo. Number 6, sino ang nag-aalok? Dapat credible yan, license at transparent. Pang-7, ano ba yung mga fees involved? Andyan yung entry fee, exit fee, management fee o professional fee. Dapat malinaw lahat yan. Pang-8, paano kumikita? Capital gains ba o regular income? Number 9, may iba pa bang option? Always compare before you commit. And number 10, ready na ba talaga akong mag-invest? Emotionally, financially, at mentally. So tandaan, bago mag-invest, try to answer these questions first. Because the right questions can save you from the wrong investments. Follow Ramper Financials for more smart investing tips.